just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Get them crossing
Oh
the
yeah,
line today.
it's me, Leanna. Welcome back.
Bumping they gums and bumping my tape.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, you need to relax. Hold on, bitch, you need to take you a chill pill.
Yeah.
Bitch, on the real deal.
Yeah.
14 karat gold chain, this ain't very meal. You need to get your shit, cause on God, little bitch, you know you ain't staying here. Can't let that for shit stop me. I gotta keep going, gotta persevere.
I don't even fuck with niggas.
Hell nah.
Many niggas be switching sides. I crop 'em out the picture.
Yeah.
It was sometimes I ain't fuck with my blood, so I know what a thicker. Feel like I got tunnel vision. Only focused on being a winner. Bitch, I want them rats for dinner. Roll my feelings in a 3-5. Yeah, nigga like to stay high. Can't be lazy, I'm a working man. I'ma stack them bands, then multiply. A lot of people ain't believe in me, but fuck 'em though, I ain't worried now. Just make sure when a nigga up, don't come around with your hand out. Yeah, got on my ass, had to make a move. Had a plan, I couldn't lose. Took so many L's this year, had to turn some of the bitches into W's. Only trying to make sure the fam's straight. I don't give a fuck about nothing else. Why the fuck would I need a nigga? I could run it up by my damn self.
Yeah, you need to relax. Hold on, bitch, you need to take you a chill pill. Bitch, on the real deal. 14 karat gold chain, this ain't very meal. You need to get your shit, cause on God, little bitch, you know you ain't staying here. Can't let that for shit stop me. I gotta keep going, gotta persevere.
Rather kick it by my lonely. Most these niggas really phony. I don't trust these hoes, so you won't catch me in no matrimony. Got used to smoking top notch on bougie. I smoke the best only. Don't come around me tryna shake my hand for a nigga, I'm not your homie. Say that door was closed, it's okay, I'll find another way. Tryna run these racks up, ain't got no time for delay. Always keep my composure, I'm too cool, never in disarray. Stop hanging around that crowd, I can't be another cliche. Yeah, did a lot of shit for the worst ones, and ain't never count no favors. Yeah, nigga keep his friends close, but my enemy just like my neighbor. Stood tall through the bad times, now that I know that I'm willing and able. I don't entertain all that bullshit, I just split like the equator. Yeah, I cannot beef about no pussy. Hell nah, nigga, keep it pushing. I'm smoking big blunts. No, you can't hear the little nigga, I see you looking. These niggas really plotting, but I stay up on my pivot, I'm never shookin'. Bitch, I'm like Chef Boyardee with it. His bitch, you know I'ma stay cooking. They wanna compete with me, but they can't do it, I'ma vet you a fucking rookie.
Yeah, you need to relax. Hold on, bitch, you need to take you a chill pill. Bitch, on the real deal. 14 karat gold chain, this ain't very meal. You need to get your shit, cause on God, little bitch, you know you ain't staying here. Can't let that for shit stop me. I gotta keep going, gotta persevere. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling on my own, just wanna be let the fuck alone. I know it's niggas want my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall. I'm who I am, you ain't gotta like me. All these niggas be dick riding. I'm not a joke, bitch, don't take me lightly. I stay high like the almighty.
Yeah, oh, you niggas think that you hot shit, but you really just cold diarrhea?
What?
Freddy, Thrasher, I fuck him, not love him. Might fuck on that hoe, but I will never need her.
Sheesh.
Not chasing bitches, I've been chasing paper.
On real.
Then that nigga ball out like the Lakers.
For real.
All these niggas claim they really with it, but we buy that static like we ain't got
Oh
cable.
my
Stay
God.
out the way and I count up them digits.
What?
If a nigga ain't talking no money, then you know the convo is short like a midget.
the fuck
Man,
out
I
of my
don't
face.
understand why these niggas trying to be like me, boy, you gotta come with it.
Yeah.
Like stick to the field, quit trying to rap. You need to rethink your decision.
On God.
And that's just me being realistic. Came to take over, don't care about who got it.
Nope.
Yeah, you talk of that shit, nigga, be about it.
What?
I don't even care about no competition. All I know is I ain't second to nobody.
I ain't second, nigga.
These niggas sounding the same and they lame as the fuck, need to get that shit up.
Yeah.
I influence these niggas, no cap. Not from Milwaukee, but I keep it a buck.
What? Lately I've been feeling on my own, just wanna be let the fuck alone. I know it's niggas want my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall. I'm who I am, you ain't gotta like me. All these niggas be dick riding. I'm not a joke, bitch, don't take me lightly. I stay high like the almighty.
Staying sober got me moving too fast. Smoking bond just so I can relax. Don't sugarcoat, nigga, keep it a stack. Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, nigga switch over, nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Came from the bottom, we struggled and hustled. Staying on point, keep my guard like Russell. Trying too hard, niggas pulling the muscle. If I am the ocean, y'all niggas a puddle. Word to my mother, I know I'ma make it. Musically gifted, you know I can fake it. Say you the best, but your music so basic. A tip of the swallow, but nigga here take it. People talk down when they see your success. Mad cause they don't got the things you possess. Best believe I got brothers that punching your ticket. They gon' leave it cold like the Polar Express. Hate but up daily, they see how I'm living. Hate that they're not in the place where I'm sitting. Skin tone and green, they see me as the villain. This rise to the top, such a marvelous feeling. Money stretch longer than Jordan on Space Jam. Shout out to Fred, that's my nigga, my main man. Can't deny shit, this my motherfucking prophecy. Now these niggas at home steady watching me. Make the wrong move, catch the piece like Monopoly. Niggas perish, look how they be mocking me. Maserati gotta take off the tag. Sexy model and she calling me dad.
Lately I've been feeling on my own, just wanna be left the fuck alone. I know it's niggas want my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall. I'm who I am, you ain't gotta like me. All these niggas be dick riding. I'm not a joke, bitch, don't take me lightly. I stay high like the Almighty.
Quaxar, you turned it up. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. First of all, I can't do no cuffing. Damn sure can't do no loving. All these hoes come a dime a dozen, but it still hurt when she fuck my cousin. But I ain't tripping cause I moved on. Fuck them feelings, bitch, they all gone. This whole year been learning life I'm wrong. Couldn't express my feelings, put them in a song. All this time I've been on a mission, trying to find a different way of living. Supposed to be my bro, but you sneak distance. So when it's time to shine, keep your fucking distance. Everybody wanna play both sides, just fuck with them if you can't decide. I don't got no time for nobody lies. All these fake people dressed in the skies. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. I got some shit on my mind. I got some shit on my mind. What? Got some shit on my mind. 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 Niggas wanna see the fruits of my labor, but they ain't tryna help get to this paper. Did so much, niggas ungrateful. So from here on out, I'm done pulling favors. I know I got a lot of niggas' feelings hurt. Say I snitched on you with the paperwork. I ain't never fold, bitch, I'm not a shirt. They done dragged my name all through the dirt. Switching on my people I could never do. Saw your name on paper, I was shocked as you. I've been keeping quiet on the situation, but now I feel like the truth do. Ever since that day, shit ain't been the same. Everybody looking at me like I changed. Don't give a fuck what them crackers claim. As a real nigga, still I remain. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain. Quaxar, you turned up. Many niggas be switching sides, I crop them out the picture. It was sometimes I ain't fold my blood, so I know water thicker. Feel like I got tunnel vision. Only focused on being a winner. Bitch, I want them rats for dinner. Put my feelings in a 3-5. Yeah, nigga like to stay high. Can't be lazy, I'm a working man. I'ma stack the bands, then multiply. A lot of people ain't believe in me, but fuck them though, I ain't worried now. Just make sure when a nigga up, don't come around with your hand out. Yeah, got on my ass, had to make a move. Had a plan, I couldn't lose. Took so many L's this year, had to turn some of the bitches into W's. Only tryna make sure the fam straight. I don't give a fuck about nothing else. Why the fuck would I need a nigga? I can run it up on my damn self. You need to relax. Hold on, B, you need to take you a chill pill. Bitch, on the real deal. 14 karat gold chain and St. Vermeil. You need to get your shit, cause I'm God, little bitch. You know you ain't staying here. Can't let that fuck shit stop me. I gotta keep going, gotta persevere. Rather kick it by my lonely. Oh, these niggas really phony. I don't trust these hoes, so you won't catch me in no matrimony. Got used to smoking top notch on Buja. I smoke the best only. Don't come around me tryna shake my hand for nigga, I'm not your homie. Say that door was closed, it's okay, I'll find another way. Tryna run these racks up, ain't got no time for delay. Always keep my composure, I'm too cool, never in disarray. Stop hanging around that crowd, I can't be another cliche. Yeah, did a lot of shit for the worst ones. I ain't never count no favors. Yeah, nigga keep his friends close, but my enemy just like my neighbor. Stood tall through the bad times, now I know that I'm willing and able. I don't entertain all that bullshit, I just split like the equator. Yeah, I cannot beef about no pussy. Hell nah, nigga keep it pushing. I'm smoking big blunts. No, you can't hit it, little nigga, I see you looking. These niggas really plotting, but I stay up on my pivot, I'm never shitting. Bitch, I'm
Quaxar, you turned up.
lately I've been feeling on my own. Just wanna be left the fuck alone. I know it's niggas on my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall. I'm who I am, you ain't gotta like me. All these niggas be dick riding. Not a joke, bitch, don't take me lightly. I stay high like the Almighty. Yeah, oh you niggas think that you hot shit, but you really just cold diarrhea. Freddy, Thrasher, I fuck him, not love him. Might fuck on that hoe, but I will never need her. Not chasing bitches, I been chasing paper. And that nigga ball out like the Lakers. All these niggas claim they really with it, but we buy that static like we ain't got cable. Stay out the way and I count up them digits. If a nigga ain't talking no money, then you know the convo is short like a midget. Fuck, man, I don't understand why these niggas tryna be like me, boy, you gotta come with it. Like shit to the field, quit tryna rap, you need to rethink your decision. And that just me being realistic. Came to take over, don't care about who got it. Yeah, you talk of that shit, nigga, be about it. I don't even care about no competition, all I know is I ain't second to nobody. These niggas sounding the same and they lame as the fuck, need to get that shit up. I influence these niggas, no cap. Not from Milwaukee, but I keep it above. Lately I've been feeling on my own. Just wanna be left the fuck alone. I know it's niggas on my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall. I'm who I am, you ain't gotta like me. All these niggas be dick riding. I'm not a joke, bitch, don't take me lightly. I stay high like the Almighty.
Staying sober got me moving too fast. Smoking bond just so I can relax. Don't sugarcoat, nigga, keep it a stack. Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Nigga switch over, nigga switch over, nigga switch over, bitch, what is that? Came from the bottom, we struggled and hustle. Staying on point, keep my guard like Russell. Trying too hard, niggas pulling the muscle. If I'm the ocean, y'all niggas a part of. Word to my mother, I know I'ma make it. Musically gifted, you know I can fake it. Say you the best, but your music so basic. A tough bit of swallow, the nigga here take it. People talk down when they see your success. Mad cause they don't got the things you possess. Best believe I got brothers that punch in your ticket. They gon' leave you cold like the Polar Express. Hate build up daily, they see how I'm living. Hate that they're not in the place where I'm sitting. Skinton and green, they see me as the villain. This rise to the top, such a marvelous feeling. Money stretch longer than Jordan on Space Jam. Shout out to Fred, that's my nigga, my main man. Can't deny shit, this my motherfucking prophecy. Now these niggas at home steady watching me. Make the wrong move, catch a piece like Monopoly. Niggas perish, look how they be mocking me. Maserati gotta take off the tag. Sexy model and she calling me dad.
Lately I've been feeling on my own. Just wanna be left the fuck alone. I know it's niggas on my downfall, so when
Quaxar, you turned up.
lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. First of all, I can't do no cuffing. Damn sure can't do no loving. All these hoes come a dime a dozen, but it still hurt when she fuck my cousin. But I ain't tripping cause I moved on. Fuck them feelings, bitch, they all gone. This whole year been learning life I'm wrong. Couldn't express my feelings, put them in a song. All this time I've been on a mission, trying to find a different way of living. Supposed to be my bro, but you sneak dissing. So when it's time to shine, keep your fucking distance. Everybody wanna play both sides, just fuck with them if you can't decide. I don't got no time for nobody lies. All these fake people dressed in the skies. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain, that's just how it is. Oh shit, here we go again. Niggas sneak this and I can't make amends. I don't need a nigga to help defend. Put the pressure on me, stood on all 10. I've been snaked out by my own kin. I ain't trust a nigga ever since then. I got some shit on my mind. I got some shit on my mind. 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 Niggas wanna see the fruits of my labor, but ain't tryna help get to this paper. Did so much, niggas ungrateful. So from here on out, I'm done pulling favors. I know I got a lot of niggas' feelings hurt. Say I snitched on you with the paperwork. I ain't never fold, bitch, I'm not a shirt. They done dragged my name all through the dirt. Switching on my people I could never do. Saw your name on paper, I was shocked as you. I've been keeping quiet on the situation, but now I feel like the truth do. Ever since that day, shit ain't been the same. Everybody looking at me like I changed. Don't give a fuck what them crackers claim. As a real nigga, still I remain. Hate to say I lost a lot of friends. Can't complain.
Quaxar, you turned up.
I know it's niggas on my downfall, so when I'm on, I ain't tryna stall.